Take a ride in the 2014 Mazda CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxury. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental frontal and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lamps, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, Sirius Satellite Radio, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.